This property is a 5-bedroom, 5 full baths, traditional style home. The list price has recently been reduced to $549,998. Interior features of this property include wood flooring, a great room, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, a finished basement, crown molding, a kitchen island, and skylight. On the outside, this property features a corner lot, an attached garage, a patio, a deck, and horse facilities. The approximate square footage is 5,396 square feet. This property is represented by
Elizabeth Dixon with the Chris Reeder team of Long & Foster.